Hey guys, what's up? This is Bhushan Jadhav. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, I request you to please take a moment and click the subscribe button given below and also hit the bell icon to get all the updates related to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you about my new laptop, that is HP's ProBook 450 G4 7500U. So this is an HP's high-end commercial laptop. The build quality of the laptop is very good and it feels pretty premium in hand. Only there is one drawback, that the material which is used is very slippery, so the laptop may slip off from your hand if not held properly. Now let's talk about the configuration of the laptop. This laptop has Intel's 7th generation Core i7 4 CPU 4-way 2.7 GHz of processor. It supports all three variants, that is 32, 64 and 128-bit. It has 8GB DDR4 SD RAM and 1TB SSD, that is hard disk, with 5400 RPM. The webcam provided to this laptop is Full HD as it is a commercial laptop. It has 15.6 inches Full HD LED screen which is of non-reflective type, which is very good. Now the main thing, that is the graphic card. It has 6GB NVIDIA switchable graphic card. That is, the graphic card is divided into two parts. One is of 4GB and other one is of 2GB and is switched according to the usage. This laptop has one SD card port, 3 USB ports, one Ethernet port and one HDMI port. The laptop performs very well in multitasking but heats a lot, so there is a need to use a cooler, which is recommended for such high-end processor laptops. The editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro CC and After Effects run butter smooth. For a full HD 1080p 10 minutes video, it takes about 20 to 25 minutes to render and save the file, which is pretty decent. Overall, this laptop performs very good and heavy editing can be done easily. Okay, so after watching the previous clip in this video, I guess you guys have already got all the information about this particular laptop. Now let's talk about from where did I get this laptop. Basically guys, I got this laptop from Lamington Road, which is the biggest market, biggest IT product market in Mumbai. So I went there, I got this laptop. Now let's compare the price for which I got this laptop and the price which I was getting online and the price which I was getting in a good store, good branded store. So when I went online, after getting this laptop, I came back home and I was just researching upon the price just to know कि कितने सस्ते में मिला है laptop and what are the prices going on online and also in the stores. So I went online, I went on Google, I was searching for this particular model, that is 7500U, but this model was out of stock and on some sites it was not available. This model is available only on two sites, that is eBay and second one is Amazon. And between these two sites, ये दो साइट के बीच में ही बहुत बड़ा प्राइस डिफरेंस है. On Amazon, this laptop was priced for around 94,000 and on eBay, the price is more shocking. This laptop was priced for around 1,14,000. And अगर आप compare करोगे, if you go to compare the price between the wholesale market from where I got this laptop, that is Lamington Road, and the two other variants, that is online market and a good store, is huge. It is around 30 to 35,000 guys. So whenever you want to buy any laptop or PC, I highly recommend you to go to Lamington Road because 30 to 35,000 guys is not a small amount. बहुत बड़ा प्राइस है. You can buy a good camera, a good vlogging camera from it. You can भाई 35,000 कोई लोग की सैलरी होती है महीने की. So you can imagine the amount of profit this guys are earning. मतलब अकेले earn नहीं कर रहे, but there are many people in between who has to earn money. There are distributors, after distributors there are again small distributors, then it goes to big stores. बहुत बड़ा process है. Let's not go into that particular process. So if you are willing to buy a laptop, I highly recommend, not only laptop but also a PC, I highly recommend you to go to Lamington Road because it is one of the biggest markets where you get all the IT related stuff. And before going, if you are buying a PC, let me tell you all, there is one site named buildmypc.com. You can go there, you can assemble your PC according to your configuration and like उधर है ना हर एक चीज़ का prices है. Like if if you're buying a processor which is i7 7 generation 700K, उसका प्राइस दिया हुआ रहता है. एंड एज यू गो ऑन सिलेक्टिंग different items like your processor, your power supply, your monitor, your mouse, your keyboard, your cabinet, everything, ऐसे धीरे धीरे सिलेक्ट करते जाओगे, so you will get an estimate price of your whole setup. And after getting the estimate price, you can go to the market, you can ask them for this particular configuration and you can compare the price. Obviously जो Build My PC बताएगा वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा प्राइस, एंड जब भी आप मार्केट में जाओगे वो प्राइस थोड़ा कम होगा. So yeah, if you are willing to buy a PC, just go on buildmypc.com, get an estimate price and then go to the market, that is Lamington Road. एंड लैपटॉप के केस में ऐसा कोई साइट नहीं है, बट ओनली वन थिंग इज़ दैट जब भी आप लैमिंगटन रोड जाओगे थोड़ा रिसर्च करके जाओ लैपटॉप के बारे में. रिसर्च इट ऑन यूट्यूब, थोड़ा ऑनलाइन रिसर्च करो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू गो देयर दोज पीपल आर सो स्मार्ट दैट उधर वो लोग को पता चल जाता है कि ये आदमी ये सब चीज़ में नया है, उसको कुछ मालूम नहीं है. सो they try to earn more profit out of it. So be little smart. सब ऑनलाइन प्राइजेस दिमाग में रखो, एंड when that person tells you the price, उसको बता दो कि हाँ ऑनलाइन मेरे को इतने इतने में मिल रहा था. सो वो आदमी को भी थोड़ा पता चल जाएगा कि या इसको थोड़ा कुछ मालूम है, सो वी कैन नॉट अर्न मच प्रॉफिट out of him. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I just wanted to share this particular thing with you all. I'm not sharing the price of this laptop because there are many shops out there, and when you're buying a PC, don't go in only one shop. Visit 2 or 3 shops, get quotation from every shop, compare the quotation, compare the price, and then and only then go for the best price, the shop which is giving you the best price, and buy the PC or laptop. And guys, if you are buying a लैपटॉप में विंडोज़ का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, बिकॉज इन लैपटॉप यू हैव ओरिजिनल विंडोज़, लाइक जेन्युइन विंडोज़. एंड व्हेन यू गो टू बाय अ पीसी, वो सब लोग वो शॉप में आपको सब इंस्टॉल करके देंगे, ईच एंड एवरी सॉफ्टवेयर विच यू वांट, लाइक द एडोब प्रीमियर प्रो CC, द आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स, एवरीथिंग, ऑटोकैड, जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर आपको चाहिए वो आपको इंस्टॉल करके दे देंगे. बट ऑल विल बी पायरेटेड, none of them will be original. Also when you buy a PC, वो विंडोज़ जो भी डालेंगे वो भी पायरेटेड होगा, ओरिजिनल नहीं होगा. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय एन ओरिजिनल विंडोज़ विच हैज़ अ लाइसेंस नंबर, देन यू नीड टू बाय इट, लाइक उसका प्राइस अराउंड 5000 था, बिकॉज अर्लियर आई वॉज विलिंग टू बाय अ PC, not a laptop, and I ended up buying a laptop. So yeah guys, that's what I wanted to tell you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment down in the comment section, was the video informative or not? And guys please subscribe कर दो. नीचे रेड कलर का बटन दिख रहा है आपको, सब्सक्राइब लिखा हुआ, क्लिक ऑन दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन, एंड उसके बाद एक बेल आइकन आएगा, ऑल्सो क्लिक ऑन दैट बेल आइकन सो दैट यू कैन गेट ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग माई चैनल. जब भी मैं वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. सो या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो गाइज. एज ऑलवेज, work hard, play hard and style hard, and remember one thing guys, hard work pays off. So keep working, never stop working. Keep this in mind, never stop working. Thank you so much.